Welcome to 4116 Bonnerview Lane. This is a 3-story townhome, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, right next to I-10 and Yale. It's in a little quiet cul-de-sac. We'll head into the house from the main entrance. When we first walk in, on the left, you have a office / bedroom with an ensuite bath and closet. And access to the backyard. This is a fully fenced backyard. As you can see, there are no back neighbors, which gives you a little bit more privacy. Up in front is the 2-car garage, and we'll go up. On the second floor, you have lots of natural light coming in through the doors here, all across the windows. And this is what would be considered the main living. Step out to the balcony. And it's a proper balcony. Lots of space. And that overlooks the cul-de-sac. We've got wood floors throughout the home. An updated kitchen, stainless steel appliances. A kitchen island, super spacious with lots of storage. That's your pantry. Washer, dryer, laundry room. Half bath. And upstairs to the 3rd floor. There's 2 more bedrooms. In the first room here, has its own ensuite bathroom. White cabinets. Very large walk-in closet with built-in shelving. And down the hall is the primary. To the right are 2 closets. Then we have the primary bathroom. Dual sinks, soaking tub. Again, windows for natural light. A nice seat for the standing shower. And then another closet. Half bath closet room.